You can now use your AI agents like Claude Code and Codex right inside of the FlutterFlow desktop app. So let me show you how. You can access them by coming up here to this AI agent icon, and when you open it up, it's going to automatically connect to your configuration of those agents on your system. Now, if something didn't set up correctly, you can go into the settings right here, and review your settings and configurations. You can also download the logs here if you're having trouble. Okay, but let's come out of here and send our first message. So down here, you can attach attachments. You can select whether you want Claude or Codex, which model you want, and of course, reasoning levels. Okay, I want to create a frisbee golfing scoring app. So please create a frisbee golf scoring app. I'm going to keep it on Opus, but bump up the thinking. Okay, let's send it off. Now, while this is working, you can of course work on other aspects of your app. So for instance, the back end or any other services you need to set up. But I'm just gonna wait for it to finish building the UI right now. All right, the agent completed it, and here's our app right here. If we go into our pages, we can see we've got 4 pages built right here. And we've also got a bunch of custom code written here. So we could see here, and let's move this right here. So I'm gonna bump this out right here. So it's an external panel right there. And you can see disk adjust at. And so it's written all the code for the calculation of scores. Okay, that's great. Okay, let's go back into our app and maybe want to make some changes here. So let's save this one. Let's open up our agent right here, pull it over. And of course you can use all the tools you have available in FlutterFlow MCP. So if I right click right here, I can add widget to context. So I'm going to add it in there and say, give me a different design variation. Okay, great. Our agent is done. We've got another variation. Now, if you want to continue on your Claude mobile, or if you're using Codex, your Codex mobile app, you can do that with this option right here. So you can enable remote access on the Claude mobile app. This is the equivalent in Claude Code of running the remote control option. So if you click it, you'll set up a remote session that you can scan with your phone and continue with the Claude app on your mobile device. Now, if you want to continue in a terminal, you can do that right here. It'll open a terminal session and resume that session here. Finally, you've got other options like creating a new thread and reviewing conversations you've already had. That's the native AI agent in FlutterFlow macOS. Let us know if you have any questions, and we'll see you in the next video.